Welcome. In this video I will show you how to resolve battery draining issue on iPad 13 2026. Start by adjusting some system settings. First of all, let's go to settings. Let's find Siri tab, and now here what we want to do is we want to make Siri stop listening for our commands. This way it will not be working in the background. And now after that we can also lower the screen brightness. We can do it straight in the control center. Basically, lowering your display brightness will significantly reduce your battery consumption. Besides, we can also turn off the background application refresh, which refreshes the app's content for the applications that are working in the background and also constantly consumes our battery. To do that, we have to go to General in Settings, then find Background App Refresh and disable this feature, at least temporarily. After that, we can also reduce system animations, which you can do by going to Accessibility in Settings and selecting Motion, finding Motion category. Right here, and enabling motion reducing. So this will also reduce the amount of animations. We can also disable these features. And besides, we can simply go to battery and enable the low power mode temporarily, which will also reduce your battery consumption significantly. So if you'd like to, you can also turn it on. Besides, here we can also check our battery health, see our maximum capacity, the cycle count. We can enable 80% limit for optimized charging. And one last thing that I want to mention is your device's storage, which you can check by going to General and selecting iPad storage. Make sure that you have at least 10% of overall storage available on your iPad. And if you don't, you can easily clean your storage in this menu by deleting some unused applications, uploading photos to iCloud, etc. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.